Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. See, given a hollow sphere of internal and external radius is 6 cm and 8 cm respectively. So, given a radius of internal sphere is 6 cm and the radius of external radius of external sphere is 8 centimeter. So let's say small r is the radius of internal sphere, which is 6 centimeter, and the capital R would be the radius of external sphere, which is 8 centimeter. Now find the volume of the sphere. So because we are supposed to find the total number of cones here. For that we need to find the volume of sphere and then volume of cone, and then we need to divide both the volumes to get number of cones. So here the volume of hollow sphere is 4 by 3 pi into capital R cube minus small r cube. So 4 by 3 into pi, capital R is 8 cube minus small r is 6 cube. So which is 4 pi by 3. 8 cube becomes 8 square, 64 into 8 is 512, and 6 cube becomes 216. So 4 pi by 3 into, if we subtract that one, we'll get 296. So the volume of hollow sphere is 1184 pi divided by 3, and by 3 a centimeter cube. That's the unit of the volume now. So also given is melted in a cone. So the cone dimensions are given, which is the radius is 2 centimeter and the height of the cone is given as 8 centimeter. So the radius of cone R is 2 centimeter and the height of the cone is 8 centimeter. So the height of the cone h is equals to 8 centimeter, and find the volume of the cone. So we know the formula to find the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we know the radius value as well as height of the cone. So just substitute the values and find the volume. So 1 by 3 into pi into r square is 2 square into h, which is 8. So 2 square value is 4. So 1 by 3 into pi into 4 into 8, and 4 times of 8 is 32. So the volume of the cone is 32 pi divided by 3. So this is the volume of the cone. The volume of the cone is 32 pi divided by 3 centimeter cube. Now to find the number of cones, we just need to divide the volume of sphere by the volume of the cone. So finally the total number of cones equals to the volume of hollow sphere, which is, so we can write as sphere volume in short words, sphere volume divided by the cone volume. The sphere volume is 1001 84 pi divided by 3 centimeter square divided by 32 pi divided by 3 centimeter cube. So if we simplify this one, this 3 and 3 get cancels out and pi cancels out, so we just have 1184 divided by 32, which is 37. So we can conclude that the total number of cones are 37. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.